Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And those who are not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can get daily updates of my notes here. And today we are discussing about direct tax and types of incomes which is assessed under direct tax. In the previous session, I have already explained what is direct tax. So, here, direct tax, which means the government is going to charge taxes directly on the income of people, those who are paying tax. So, which is said to be direct taxes here. So, here, the types of incomes which is taxed under direct tax, so which is categorized into five heads of income. So, which is said to be heads of income here. So we have to know what types of incomes are assessed or taxed under direct tax. So there are mainly, I have told, five heads of incomes are there. So in that first head of income, which is income from salary. So income from salary, we have to know what is salary first. So salary is the amount which an employee is going to receive from his employer, so which is said to be salary. So in order to consider a salary income is taxable, so under the head of salary there must be a master and servant relationship. So master and servant is nothing but master is company or business owner and the servant is called as employee. So there must be that relationship, then only it is considered as salary income. So whatever the amount which is received by employee from his employer, so which is taxed under the head income from salary. So that salary means which includes wages or so salary as we said, and whatever the advances which we are receiving from our employee, and the arrears of payment. Arrears in the sense the pending amount which is not paid at, so that amount which we are receiving. So all these are taxed under this head. So this is said to be income from salary. And the second head of income, so which is income from house property. So income from house property, so it can be easily defined because in the meaning that we can identify house property. So whatever the amount that the person who is receiving by letting his house property is said to be income from house property here. So here there must be a two relationships. So first one is owner of the house and the another one is tenant. So here owner, that those who are letting his property for rent is said to be owner, and tenant is the person who is paying rent to the owner is said to be tenant here. There must be a agreement between the tenant and the owner of house property, and also there should be a monetary consideration, in the sense what is the amount which owner is collecting as a rent from his tenant, so that should be there. So whatever the amount or annual value of the house which the owner is collecting from his tenant, which is taxed under income from house property. So thereafter, the third head of income, so which is income from business or a profession. So first we have to know what is business income, what is professional income. So these both are different, which is not same here. So your business income, which is nothing but carrying a commercial activity or trading activity, any person earning some profits, that is said to be business income here. So and also professional income, in the sense the income earned by using specialized skills or some special knowledge, so that is said to be income from profession here. So for example, that we can say doctor, lawyer, teacher, engineer. So all these things which is comes under professional income. So here which is assessed under income from business or profession. So there must be a commercial activity or trading activity. By using that person or the person who is paying tax, they have to earn some incomes here. And the profession, so there must be a specialized skill. By using that specialized skill, they have to the person who is paying tax has to earn income, so which is assessed under the head income from business or profession here. So which is calculated separately, in the sense business incomes are calculated separately and professional incomes are calculated separately here. And thereafter fourth head, which is income from capital gain. So capital gain, in the sense, the by meaning itself, it says that capital asset, by transferring capital asset, whatever the income that we are receiving, which is assessed under this head. So here capital asset, in the sense which is movable asset, immovable asset, or tangible, intangible asset. For example, land and building, machinery, goodwill, or right of a business, shares transactions, all these are assessed under this head, which is income from capital gain. And there are mainly two types of capital assets are there, which is a long term capital asset, and the another one is short term capital asset. Long term capital asset, which is the asset which is used more than 36 months, which is said to be long term capital asset. And also short term capital asset, in the sense the asset which is used below 36 months, so which is said to be short term capital assets. So anyhow, whatever the income that we are receiving by transferring our capital asset to another person, so the income earned, that is taxed under this head income from capital gain. And last head of income, which is income from other sources. So other sources, which is the easiest source of income to calculate, because the incomes which is not assessed or taxed under other four heads of income, so which may be salary or house property income, business or profession income, or capital gain. So under these four heads, these income is not assessed, so that kind of incomes are taxed under the head income from other sources. So normally casual incomes are taxed under this head. So casual incomes means, so which is not a regular income, so irregular. So for example, lottery, winning from gambling, betting, card games, horse race, all these incomes are said to be casual incomes here. So these all casual incomes are taxed under this head income from other sources. So this is about heads of income which is taxed under direct tax. So I hope that you all understood. So please like this video and also share maximum, and refer your friends to subscribe. Any other topics are needed, please let me know, I'll explain you. And